For this demo, we'll be showcasing some of our exciting AI-powered math tools that we already have available and also some that are coming up. To start, we recently released our new math question type, multi-step math, where learners can input multiple lines of math. As we click into the response box, we see that there is a specific line for us to enter in the first step of the problem. As we click enter or the next line button, we are able to enter in the next step of solving the problem. You'll notice that as we move from each step, there is instant feedback on whether or not the step is correct, denoted by a green check mark or a red cross. The solution is validated on a step-by-step basis, and the author can choose if and how the validation is shown. Looking into the More Options section, we'll see that there is an option for feedback where the author can choose how the validation is shown. So not only can a student show all the steps needed to solve a problem, they can see where they are making any errors, and teachers can start to identify where common mistakes are made as well. Following this, we have a new multimodal input writing experience for students where they can take a picture of their handwritten math and submit that photo as a response. You'll notice in our keypad, in the top right corner, there's a camera icon. Clicking into it will give us options on how we want to capture the image, either via QR code or via camera. QR code would be specifically for mobile and tablet devices, and our camera is for desktop and laptop devices. For this demonstration, we will use the camera to take a photo. And you'll see that the image was converted into the response, and we can retake it as needed, or we can accept if everything looks great. And as it is entered in, we can also edit it if needed as well. In the future, we are planning to add multimodal math input experience by offering direct handwriting so that students can use a mouse or a stylus to directly write math answers for a more natural input experience. We'll also be looking to use AI to generate hints while enhancing the student's formative learning experience and saving authors even more time. We'll have options to choose what hint style. The hints will generate into a preview, and then it will be available for students via a button and a modal pop-up. We'll also be using AI to generate full work solutions, giving students step-by-step guidance on solving the problem. This will save authors even more time while again continuing to enhance the student's formative learning experience. Eventually, we'll make our way to contextual feedback based off student responses for a more personalized learning experience. For any specific step that is incorrect, the student will see tailored feedback for that mistake. If you'd like to find out more about Math AI, visit Learnosity.com.